Hello and welcome to another video. This is Tram Sim. You'll find this on the Xbox controller, on the Xbox site, and it's a game that they're not really doing anything with it. There's no updates or anything for it. You know, there's no people at the station either. They're not really doing anything with it. So it's on half price. I bought this because I thought, oh yeah, it'll be fun. You know, and we'll see how we go with it. And it's just basically driving a tram. It's very basic controls. It's forward on the left controller, on the left joypad, to get it going. It's backwards to stop it, and it's basically just B to open the doors. And you press your right joypad, your right joystick, to look around. You know, look on the outside of the tram, look on the inside of the tram where the cameras are, and you basically pick up people. You know, the trams will do 60 miles an hour. You have to do, it's generally like a bus service, but you're on rails. I usually pick up here if I'm playing. There's two areas. There's Munich, which is this one, or there is Vienna, which is a blue tram, and I tend to pick up here. You open the doors, let the people on. I can't go. I haven't figured out how to do the I haven't figured out how to do the wheelchair access. It's not particularly easy. See that there ramp? That's supposed to open out, but I can't get it to do it for some reason. I don't know what it is, so I'm going to leave him there anyway, and we'll get on with it. So I'll just show you. I don't stop after here because I just like to speed around the course. So I'm just going to take it up to full speed and let it go. Now don't worry if I hit anything, a car or another tram, because it don't do anything. It's basically, there's no repercussions for hitting anything. You don't get done for speeding or leaving people at the stops. You know, it doesn't matter about your time. Run around and enjoy it, basically. But they're not doing no updates, like I say, and they're just sort of abandoning the game, from what I've been told. It's a shame, really, because it's a really good game. Now, yeah, your belly's on your right trigger. But I don't worry about that. I just keep going. You know, it's only a bit of fun. It was, you might say I've wasted my money. It was £17.99, so you're looking at £18. Well, it's just a bit of fun, you know. Got to watch the tram in front because I don't want to be crashing into it if I can help it. I'll show you what happens though. That's what happens. That's all it does. You don't get anything else. That's it. And that tram will disappear. And even if you hit a car, you do exactly the same thing. The only thing it doesn't bother with is a person. If there's a person stood in the tracks and you hit them, it doesn't do anything. It just goes right through them. They just go right through the trap. See, I don't bother. Look, there you go. Look. And I'm through on to the next bit. It's just a bit of fun. It relieves a bit of stress if you get any, you know. It's an enjoyable game. I love it. And the best bit about it is when you get to the terminus. The terminus is funny. The trams don't derail, by the way. So you just keep going.
Zollernstraße. Steigen zu.
There are sections where you're supposed to do stopping and starting and picking up people, but I just can't be bothered. You know, between me and you, gatepost, I just, to me, it's just a bit of fun.
Steigen zu. 2.
Not that I drive or anything to get stressed out. I get more stressed out because of my health more than anything. But you've got to find ways to relax, haven't you? You know? But to me, this is it. This is trains.
1, 2, 2a.
But I just thought I'd show you this because it's, you know, if you like something like this, it's enjoyable. You know, by all means, go ahead and get it. And, you know, play it properly if you want. I just don't. I don't. I'm not one of those that. I just like to fuck about, you know. A lot of people mess about these days, don't they? And I don't do. You know, I don't make any money from the YouTube videos, so it's for me just get it just a bit of fun. I'll make some videos of Hogwarts eventually. And I play that as well. Should be approaching the terminus. I'm hoping I'll get there before the end of the 14 minutes. I do get 15. I don't, you know, I don't go longer than that. A lot of people say, oh, it's a big video, you know. Why make a long video? I find that I see people make videos over an hour long and I think to myself, it's the same thing over and over and over and over again. You know, it's boring. And you soon get bored of it, whereas I'm one of these people that 15 minutes and it's fine. You know, you won't get bored. I mean, you might do doing something like this. You might get bored. You might not. You know? So I just thought I'd show it you, and that's all there is to it. If you don't like it, you don't have to watch it, you know. I'm not forcing you to watch it. I must admit though, the details on the buildings are nice, you know. If you like that sort, I mean, I like architecture, you know. You might call me a nerd that way, but I love old buildings, I love Gothic buildings. But at the same time, you know, I like to see a bit of detail in the game. I don't know where we're going, because I don't know anything about, you know, Munich or its town or city, whatever it is. Like I said, I just thought I'd show you on a quick video. I've got it up to like 12 minutes or something, then I'll let you go. I think you're going if you want, it's up to you. I think we're at the terminus now. I think.
2a.
Well, maybe not. On the Vienna one, it goes into a circle and just turns right round in a circle. I can't get it. It's not a very long route at all. This one's a bit bigger, it's a bit better. It's the first time I've tried this one, so I normally play the Vienna one with the blue tram. It's just as good, you know, just the same thing. It's got a indicators, so you turn them off using the same buttons, turn them on. Then you've got window wipers and the heaters and everything else that you get in a standard vehicle, you know. You don't even have to see where you're going, you just, you know, look around. It'll tell you if you get anything. Oh, on the ground now, man.
Straßgasse. Umsteigen zu 13a.
Different, isn't it? There's no collectibles or anything to find, it's just a tram on a track, you know.
Bahnhofsgasse. Bitte seien Sie achtsam. Andere brauchen Ihren Sitzplatz
Once
vielleicht
off, I'll let them
notwendig.
off and then I'm going to carry on. Must have got fed up with
Kiefergasse. Umsteigen zu 18.
I don't know how far we're going underground.
Stadthausgasse.
I'm not worried about it either.
Hauptleistung umsteigen zu 6, 18, in Richtung Burggasse, Stadthalle, 62, in Richtung Leitz, 14a, Badnerbahn nach Baden.
Right, I shall let you go. I hope you enjoyed that little video. Take care and I'll see you on the next one. It's Lord Keith signing out. Bye bye.